In this video, I will show with you step by step how to transfer money from Piraeus to bank. If you want to log in or transfer money to Wise, in this case, you want to transfer to Wise account, follow me in these steps. Log in your account with your own information, such your user and password. Two options here, the user and password. When you log in, follow me to transfer your money. Just follow me in these steps. You will see this dashboard on Piraeus. Click on transfer money in these steps. When you select transfer money, you will see this page. Click on transfer. If you want to use the IBAN, for example, you want to transfer to Wise, you should go to your Wise, and then from the Wise, go to account details. From the account details, copy your IBAN. For example, this is your IBAN, copy, and then click copy, and then go back from here, copy, and paste here in this case. After that, when you copy your IBAN, choose this option. Choose your amount you want to transfer, choose your payments, and then amount you want to transfer. Write your PIN, and then click confirm. Basically, this is how you can do. You have another method you can use Wise from here. Click add money. When you click add money from your Wise, choose your amount you want to add, and then just wait. Choose your debit card in this option. When you click on debit card, you should add your debit card to Piraeus debit card. This is how you can do. Just copy your codes of card and paste here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.